This is
Since 1959, wrestling has been protecting your pursuits, built from the ground, the discipline, and defining moments of wrestling. For more than 65 years, we stood alongside the athletes chasing greatness, the coaches pushing limits, and the communities that fuel the sport. Resolute is where preparation meets opportunity and where history is made. Resolute, proud to protect your pursuits. Resolute, proud to support the Advanced Wrestling Nationals. Resolute, the Mat Company. Introducing the Adidas HBC Plus and HBC Prime, an upgrade to our classic HBC with elevated style and improved performance at an entry-level prices. Available this summer at adidaswrestling.com. Pure Clean Sports exists to help grow the sport of wrestling by buying skin issues. Let's confront skin issues like we do on competition and stop them before they start. Level up your hygiene by stopping by the booth for special Adidas national pricing or by visiting the website at pureandcleansports.com. Don't forget, wrestlers, challenge matches have begun in the Community Ice Ring. They are located off the concourse, the Community Ice Ring. Right, the Sausage Man is running the event, so make sure you go over there and challenge as many wrestlers as you can. Our record is 26. Get to the challenge matches ASAP to get extra wrestling in this weekend.
If you win this, you're facing the winner of
Go, Gavin! There you go! Don't let him go!
Attention table workers, attention table workers. If there are any extra table workers at the moment, you could use a little extra help at the Community Ice Arena for the challenge matches.
Let's go,